Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious guacamole salsa for tacos. Start with the freshest ingredients for the best flavor. We'll need about 3 ripe avocados, 4 medium tomatillos, and 1 jalapeno for a nice kick. Don't forget a small bunch of fresh cilantro, a quarter of a red onion, 1 clove of garlic, and the juice of 1 lime. These simple components will come together to create an amazing guacamole salsa that's perfect for your tacos. Now let's get those flavors popping. Place your tomatillos and jalapeno on a baking sheet and roast them for about 10 to 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Once they're tender and a little smoky, let them cool down. Then, combine the roasted vegetables with your fresh cilantro, a quarter of the red onion, and the garlic clove in a blender. Pulse until you have a smooth, vibrant green base. This is where the magic happens. In a separate bowl, mash your 3 ripe avocados until they are wonderfully creamy. Now, carefully fold in the blended tomatillo and jalapeno mixture with the mashed avocado. Stir it all together until it's well combined. Finish by squeezing in the juice of 1 fresh lime, then season with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Taste and adjust as needed. Your incredible guacamole salsa is now ready to elevate your taco night. Spoon generous amounts onto your favorite tacos for an explosion of fresh, zesty flavor. This versatile salsa also makes a fantastic dip for tortilla chips or a vibrant accompaniment to grilled chicken or fish. For best results, enjoy it fresh, but any leftovers can be stored in the fridge for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.